Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create the donut text effect in the CapCut Mobile. So here I've already opened the background that I want to add text first. Here I'm going to just write this. Now click on the animations tab. Find the loop options and then here scroll down until you find the effect that I meant by donut. Okay, scroll down. Okay, this one, donut. Click on that. Here is the result. You can adjust the speed. If you want to make it fast, just swipe it to the left like this. If you want to make it slow, swipe to the right. Click on the check icon. Now you can also adjust the text like this, the size. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.